Alright guys, let's have a look here. See at the account we have 4 trades in, still in a bit of a drawdown, but as long as this doesn't go all the way back to 10,500, I'm very fine with this. So let's look at the charts and find some more trades. So let's start at USD CHF and go all the way down. Yeah, this is setting up nicely for a short to downside. I'd say probably around New York session there's going to be a nice short here, unless the market decides to go up here. There's going to be some more major impact USD news here. This candle down is from, well, it's strange because there was some weakness in the dollar yesterday and this pair moved down. So it should be moving up actually. So I don't think this will be a good level unless, of course, today the USD news is going to be positive for the dollar. Then this pair is going to set up very nicely for a short. So let's wait for that. Okay, this is nice on coffee. As you can see in the past, coffee has been dropping down into these zones, and then when it goes back up, it's a nice time to enter a long and then target the zone above. Then there was this trade here, target the bottom. Then you could have entered somewhere here, target the top, target the bottom. So you could have made a very nice win streak. Let's go back here, see this. Also very respectful with the zones. There's some liquidity grabs here and there, but and here, of course, this would probably be a loss. But this is what I like about the pair. It stays in these ranges a bit. So coffee, I'm always going to trade these ranges. So I'm very looking forward to this, and let's have a nice go on it. Also, there's two types of coffee I can trade on my broker. You have the Arabica coffee and the coffee Robusta. Previous pair was Arabica. So that's nice, get some variety in there. I might have to do some research in future about correlation on these coffee pairs. But for now, let's stay out of the fundamentals on these commodities and just trade price action. Okay, we almost got stopped out on the soybean trade, but this is looking very much like a break, retest, and then move up. So I think this is a loser, but you never know. Always stay in the trade and keep your original plan. Crypto, I think it will be ranging between the zones for the next 2 weeks. Maybe explore a bit here above and create like a wider range, but for now I don't think it's going to break down all the way or up. It's just going to stay here a bit, also because there's some fundamental troubles with Binance and with some other brokers in the crypto space. So there's a lot of uncertainty, and uncertainty either manifests into consolidation or it manifests in a downtrend. But usually when the uncertainty passes away, you can create some nice upward momentum. So that's what I'm waiting for a bit on crypto. That break above the zone, and like a retest, and then target these zones or this zone. Let's move this line here. Okay, so didn't really find any trading opportunities before the news events. I'm going to trade some of these pairs during the event, like Euro USD for example. Got a nice bullish uptrend because of the negative USD news. So if the FOMC meeting spikes down, that's a very nice entry. So I'm going to prepare these orders, but I'm going to do that off camera. Alright guys, the FOMC meeting was done. It was quite, didn't particularly make any movement, just ranging. So what I noticed is when you look at BTC, you see the general FOMC meeting kind of behavior, just like you see on Euro USD, big drop down, up, ranging a bit. Then here all of a sudden it did this. So this is clearly manipulation. And it's also at a zone. So I'm going to take a trade here, target the middle of the range, and then enter right away. Okay, so no more trades except for the BTC trade, but that's good. This is the first BTC trade in the challenge. While it is based a bit on fundamentals and not purely on fat cat, still nice to test this pair out.